Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 2 trades. Today's date is September the 21st. My 2 trades were based on dollar, the USD strength. It's still at the top up here. And I ended up doing the pound dollar and the euro dollar. So because the USD is strong, that means we're buying the dollar, and because the dollar is on the right side of these 2 pairs, that means we're selling. Now today took a little bit longer to finally give me the pips, but that's the way trading goes. And I am using my new and improved BB trigger system. It's version number 2, and the only difference I made from the original, I had the default awesome oscillator, and I decided to put the multi-time frame awesome oscillator. It is a better oscillator, as I'm able to adjust and be looking at higher time frames. So the 2 that I usually look at the most out of the 4 templates is number 1 and number 2. They're both based on the 30-minute time frame on the AO, and 1 is with the meter and 2 is with no meter. And of course 3 is based on the 1 hour and 4 is based on the 4 hour on the awesome oscillator. And that's the default, the way I have all of them. As you can see, many trigger systems in here, and they have 4 templates. If it has 4 templates, it has the multi-time frame indicator within the system and the template. So moving forward now, let's take a look. Pound dollar, we're just going to drag and drop this up. Now this one, I took the trade relatively late, as I saw it late, and made a decision that I knew I could grab a few more pips. Took the trade at 9:41, sold it, as I said, just to grab some pips. That's all it was. And those number of pips, it worked out to be 20 pips. And 20 pips on the pound dollar paid $1,820. Now I was in the trade for roughly an hour on this one. The euro dollar, I was in the trade for, looks like about 2.5 hours. Love trading and using this Bollinger Band trigger, as I don't have to wait for, like, say, 2 moving averages to cross over. You have to, it's up to you whether you like moving averages and crossovers, which it doesn't. I don't mind trading that, but this one here, these moving averages will never cross. There's just an upper band and a lower band, and I teach exactly advanced tips and tricks on how you can scalp with this BB trigger or grab even a lot more than 10 pips. Okay, that was excellent first trade. Second one was the euro dollar right here. Let's drag and drop it up. As I said, this one I got in, I've been in the trade for more than an hour. Looks like got in at 7 and I closed it at looks like 10:43. So I got in here, a pretty good entry, except it did just this little bit of a pullback as it got closer to the goal line. And I wanted to point out, getting back to the pound dollar, that this is a perfect example, really good example of a great way to trade. Makes trading super easy. You can learn it within a week, and it comes with a very high success rate. And on the euro dollar, same thing, goal line going down. We're using the AO here, and as I said, it did a bit of a pullback. Let's see what that pullback was. 12 pips. not a big deal, and I closed it out just a few minutes ago, and looks like this is 42 pips, and 42 pips on the euro dollar paid $4,250. I teach exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. So let's see, if you're adding up the pips, that came to 62 pips, pretty close to the last day I was trading, which happened to give me 61 pips, but 62 pips paid $6,070 for a couple hours work. Love trading with the BB trigger. So if you'd like to get more information on this BB trigger, all you got to do is look right below this video. Actually, I have two write-ups, one for the BB trigger, and I left the other one up for the master trigger. So if you're a fan of moving averages, then the master trigger is for you. And if you're a fan of the BB trigger, then that one is also write-up is below this video. And if you will see this write-up right here, it's a BB trigger system I do charge $250 for. Has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. By the way, it was 8 with the original awesome oscillator, and I left it in there along with the template just in case you want the original. And then of course I included the MTF, which is the one you're looking at here. Now I've included a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents which will help you to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, as you can see here, so I produced and I teach how to trade all these different ways within these 42 training videos. Just to remind you that originally, back in more than a year ago when I did the original BB trigger, there was 30 videos. So I did 12 more advanced training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. And I will show you the videos, which ones I included, the other 12. Now my most favorite way of trading is a great way to trade. Now what makes the BB trigger just a little bit better than my other trigger systems are within these 5, actually 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in every video right here, I give a lot of advanced trading and training, a lot of trading tips. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries. These are all new videos. I teach how to stay in the trade for more pips, how to trade at the right hand edge. I teach how to trade higher time frames. Not only do I use the AO, I change the time frame on that, but it's very easy. It only takes 5 seconds to check a couple of 2 or 3 higher time frames. Make sure you're going in the right direction. You must do this if you want to find success trading. So let's see now, and this is a new one I did right here, how to trade with the BB trigger version number 2. So and I went over the new awesome oscillator within this video and how to trade it. Now I'll also show many great trade setups in this video. Also teach how to back test the BB trigger, which I still do between 6 and 8 hours every weekend. I put these hours aside every weekend, because I really like doing it, and it helps me to find trades much faster. Like you train your brain and your eyes to see the setups. Now I don't get the trade bang right on. Right on would be right here, by the way, but you know, nobody gets it 100% of the time right on. But a 12 pip pullback is nothing to worry about. So I also teach how to scan the market, how to scalp the market. And I teach how to trade all 3 sessions. This is a new video I did it also, part of the 12 new videos. How to trade this one here, how to trade the London close. I do it from time to time, but usually by 11 a.m. New York time, my day is done. And I also teach how to trade pullbacks. That's what this is right here, pullback. Now, if it broke the goal line and kept going, I call that a reversal, which I teach how to trade. And I teach how to trade the goal line. So anywhere around the goal line, there's always a lot of trading opportunities. Also teach how to trade the news. It's a lot more difficult. I recommend you focus on a great way to trade first. And after you're making pips and money, then you can try your hand at trading the news. And also teach how to trade with a day job, which is much easier, of course, because you can apply a great way to trade with that way of trading. Now, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. I actually do answer unless I'm busy or talking to a trader, something like that. And if you live too far to call me, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Want to make sure I get the email. And of course, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link right here. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, show you more about any trigger system you want to see, and answer your questions. Probably run about 45 minutes or so. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 27 screenshots. Now, I've been getting a lot of traders asking me for my special limited time offer. It's this one right here. It's a special limited time offer. For the price of 4 trigger systems, as you see, each and every one of these, they do cost $250 each one. So for the price of 4 of them, I will give all 27 trigger systems. It's well over 111 gigabytes. And keep in mind, there's continuing new education is what you need until you find success. And I do teach how to trade the Forex market. You can put this on pause and you can read everything if you want. My top 3 very best trigger systems are right here, 1, 2, and 3. And then all the other ones are good, but these are just better, a little bit better. Now there's like over 2,200 training videos, everything you need to trade successfully. And I threw in this super bonus. It's valued at well over $5,000. There's 1,000 systems. There's actually 1,850 indicators. They're the custom indicators, and 30 courses. If you just want to buy this by itself, it's only $250, and it's great for traders who want to build their own trading system. You can mix and match systems that you like. I've been getting, like I said, a lot of traders that are picking this up. And of course, the screenshots are in here. Total value is well over $25,000, and I'm only charging $1,000 for it. So no matter where you live in the world, you can easily get your hands on this. And I wanted to point out in this bonus package right here, it's 37 gigabytes. The first one has 21, I believe, gigabytes. This one's 37 gigabytes. I threw in 37 bonus trading systems that I put together. They are not the trigger systems, but the same concept. Blue we're buying, red we're selling. Each and every one comes complete with training and education. And I threw in a lot of education. And in this package, you'll learn money management, trade management, and proper mindset, the psychological part, which is 50% of the problem. If you don't solve these three things, the best system in the world, making traders millions of dollars, and you will blow up your account and lose your money. You must master these three things right here. This is where I struggled for many years. I hated this psychological part, but it was only after I learned how to do these three things that I found success. So don't dwell on the situation. You want to find the magic system or the holy grail. All systems will work once you figure out these three, along with trading the flow of the market. So that's just a heads up, letting you know. But you need the training and education. This is what you need. And this is why I decided to show you this part right here. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that encourages me to keep doing these videos. And as long as I help at least one or more traders a week, then I'll keep doing it. So until the next trade, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.